This is page 7.1 in your binder. Don't worry about this top section. I'm going to start right here with slope. Slope is written as a ratio, and it's the vertical change, which is our rise, so we go up, and then the horizontal change, which is our run, which is left or right. If we run left, it'll be negative. If we run right, it's positive. This remains constant, meaning for any 2 points on the same line. So, slope is written as a fraction in simplest form. That means, and the letter we use for slope is an M. So, let's talk about just general slope for a second. If I have a line that is going up to the right, this is a positive slope. So it's positive slope. If I have a line that is going down to the right, it is a negative slope. It's negative. If I have a line that is straight across, it is 0 slope. And if I have a line that is perfectly up and down, we say that it is undefined. And if you put that slope in your calculator, it's actually going to say error. Okay, so we know that the slope is rise over run. So we're going to go up or down. We're going to go up, and then if we go to, we're going to rise, and then if we go to the left, it's negative slope. If we go to the right, it's a positive slope. So I'm going to find these 2 dots. Got one going up here and then over there. So to get there, I'm going to count how many jumps I take. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. I'm running to the right, so that means it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 over 4. If I type that in my calculator, if I hit alpha, the green button, and then y equals, that'll show up in your calculator as a fraction. You type 7 over 4. If you hit enter, it stays 7 over 4. So that means that is in simplest form. Let's rise and run on this one. So I'm going to rise and run. I go from one point to the next. So my rise, 1, 2, 3. 3. And I'm running to the left. So it's going to be negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 over negative 9. Type that in your calculator with alpha y equals, and it will change it and it will say negative 1/2. That is the slope you want to use in your calculator. Let's look at this one. Straight across line. So to get from this point to this point, I don't rise any. So 0 rise. I run 1, 2, 3, 4. I run 4. If you type that in your calculator, you will get a 0 because this has 0 slope. I can also just look at it and know that. Same with this one. My rise, I do have a rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I rose 4, but I don't go to the right or left any. If I type that in your calculator, it will say error. That's okay. That just tells me that when I see an up and down line, I know that it is undefined. So, that is how we do slope. We rise or we run. Now we're going to switch gears. That's how we do slope when we look at a graph. Now we're going to do slope with an equation. This is page 7-3 in your binder. You have the equation written up top. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, step 1, label the coordinates. So right here, I've got 2 sets of coordinates. I need to label them. The first one is always x1. The second one is always y1. The next one is x2. The next one is y2. If I had another one, it would be x3, y3. If I had another one, x4, y4. So it goes on and on. There's always x and a y, and then however many you have. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to write this formula out. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So instead of having a y2, I'm going to go up here. The y2 is a 3. So I'm going to put a 3 in that place. The y1 is a 1. I'm going to erase that and make it a 1. Okay? x2, it's right here. That's a 4. Erase that and make it a 4. x1, it's right here. Oops, wrong thing. Oh my gosh, x1, sorry. It's right here. x1 is right there. Got confused with my pencil here. So I make that a 1. So in your calculator, I want you to do alpha, y equals, and it'll pop up a fraction. Do 3 minus 1 on the top and 4 minus 1 on the bottom. When you type that in and hit enter, it will give you a slope of 2 over 3. And that's your answer. Okay? Let's do this one. x1, y1, x2, y2. So I start with my y2, because that's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 instead of y2. That's what we got right there. So instead of that, we're going to write a -2. Be sure to use your negatives. And then I got a minus. y1 is a 4. I'm going to write a 4. And be sure that's a minus. Okay. x2. I'm going to erase that and make it a 10. Minus x1 is a -2. I'm going to erase that and make it a -2. So type that, alpha y equals, into your calculator, and when you do, it will give you a -1 over 2, and that's your slope. So we can find slope from a graph. We can find slope from coordinates. I need you to do the delta math, and it is called Slope Review Day 1. So take your notes and then do that delta math and then let me know, and I will put a grade in for you. Thank you.